Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah inaugurates Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives at the old Assembly building today. United Committee Manipur brings in around 15 political parties for October Mass Rally 2018 to stand against disintegration of Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren urges academicians of the state to take part in politics and help in governing the state. And Revenue Minister Karam Sham lauds self-reliant individuals who create job opportunities for others. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah has inaugurated Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives at the old Assembly building today. There are altogether 8 galleries in the museum, namely Governor and Chief Minister's Gallery, Speaker's Gallery, Art Gallery, Chairman of Hill Areas Committee's Gallery, Deputy Speaker's Gallery, and Secretary's Gallery. Archives Committee Room, Sound and Monitoring Unit, Ethnological Gallery, Museum, Gift Shop and replicas of ambassador cars used by former speakers and other historical items are kept intact in the museum. Speaking in the inaugural event, the governor hoped for the museum to give people a better understanding on the political history of Manipur. She lauded Speaker Khemchand for initiating the establishment of Manipur Legislative Museum and Archives. Governor Najma Abdullah urged assembly members to record their experiences and keep in the museum for future references. A souvenir and a guidebook of the museum were released on the occasion. The governor and the speaker also awarded Yumnam Wangam Panthoy M for winning the logo designing competition of Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives in the event.
It will be a collection of archival material, rare artifacts, photographs of historical significance and other invaluable items, and a perpetual source of precious information and a referral treasure for the elect. I have full confidence that the Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archive will be a great value and interest to the people of the state and will go a long way in fulfilling their aspirations.
Speaking on the occasion, Speaker Yumnam Khemchand stated that he was eager to open an assembly museum for Manipur after coming across Parliament Museum during an orientation program at Delhi in April last year. He appreciated assembly staffs, former Speaker T.N. Haukib and veteran politician and former Minister O. Joy for their utmost supports in setting up the museum. Responding to the governor's desire to extend assembly hours for better acknowledgement of a parliamentary democracy, the Speaker assured of trying his best for extending the same.
Assembly staff say, they are very sincere. Aduki matik tila madam sida akoy ngamda bohone loina 1948 ki October ki tang tara ka nipan da Manipur ki ihan hanba assembly thamki badura Manipur ki raja maharaja ki speech da Southeast Asia da Manipur na khwai hanba democracy set paleba oin law thoki wado saying I am proud as an Manipuri and I am proud as an Indian. Museum and archives da koi pranamanga sinja langjadi basida aswaiba mekhatning bayapi lagasu masi suggestion tabiu.
Political parties, civil society organizations and people of Manipur have extended solidarity to the UCM's October Mass Rally 2018. Organizing Committee October Mass Rally 2018, United Committee Manipur organized a joint meeting of all the political parties at Manipur Press Club today. Representatives of around 15 political parties, except for NPF, attend the meeting along with representatives of various civil society organizations of the state. Speaking on the occasion, UCM President Sunil Karam urged people of Manipur to stand united against any possible threats to the territorial integrity of Manipur until full public disclosure of the content of Indo-Naga Framework Agreement of August 3, 2015 is made. He stressed that the mass rally on October 31 is being organized to take a common stand against any threats to the territorial integrity of Manipur.
October Mass Rally Marathon Chakaina Colony Famasida, Nasigi Mipana, political parties Punamana, support Organa, Rally Mapung Panba, Eba, Wapama, Nasi Kanagi Wapam Singer Sida, Rally Numit Aduda, Niamna Pireva, Mort Singaduka Tindelakana, Manipuri, Pibam, Amasu Manipuri Wapamase, Kari, Wigedega, between Numitu the Lepa Haraga, Wari Mama, Lorga, Prime Minister, Manipuri, Asuma upon we Satam Manipuri, upon we interest. Kahin me yaro hebesgi sauru message sama pina bugi da muna papa manisi yamine hai river asida Manipur is the kunda pina riba political parties the natna ekoi dharma gi lining laisugi lanai sinfam thabak tawba company laiba punabak sikhai dana rili asida support tawiu amasung Manipur kanada bo hona matamda sauba daita do lomina si.
Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren has released Manipur Research Forum MRF's book entitled Northeast India, a Reader at Chief Minister's Bungalow today. Bhagat Oinam and Dhiren A. Sadokpam are the editors of the book, which is a compilation of articles published earlier in MRF's journal Eastern Quarterly. The book analyzes various issues facing Northeast states on a single platform. Speaking in the event, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren has appealed to all the intellectuals and academicians of the state to take part in politics and help in governing the state, as they have a great role in developing a society. He stated that less participation of academicians in nation building and politics since 1970s hindered adequate development of Manipur. He asserted that with the proper guidance and influence of the intellectuals, state would have witnessed less unrest. The Chief Minister lauded MRF and hoped for its guidance in facing adversities of the state.
Intellectuals, academics, politics, don't sit idle inside a room. I quite is what is the command with the Laila Sukra, wishing she room the family later. Was asking to class for Laura Lagra, doctors in shoe, like the doctor engineer Salamoshi room the lake rat, but Levakana Nagla he gave. Adutaki never swear emails. Aduna, I give out. Please come out. Text here in governance. Tabakta, whether the worry low, Levaki when a low emails, a politician, nothing low with a minute. Madam, the democratic form of woman, like Habanina, system to lay. Natragana, Toga platforms in the governance key, society key, future key, past key, present key, Nangu, session review, high view, Natra de Quiggy Levakan.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren also clarified that construction of dance performing stage inside Kangla was not initiated by the BJP government, but it is being carried out in continuation of the proposal put forth during the Congress government for promoting tourism in 2015. Stating that governance is a continuous process and expressing his desires to safeguard Kangla, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren assured to convene Kangla Fort meeting, including all the stakeholders, to address the issue without further delay. He also assured that the government will never go against the wishes of the people. On the other hand, anticipating the upcoming Sangai Festival 2018, the Chief Minister intimated that dignitaries from Asian countries and America, including Princess of Thailand, will be visiting Manipur during the festival, which he assured will be organized in a never-seen-before manner.
Any section the comment people matamda khanga behind aside the wall poster the BJP ga RS gana kangla mangthu e habugumba khangder dingangunu kangla bu sengna thamna bokona bada khwaidigi chawma thogang loba misak amadi isu wai BJP sarkar lakpa ga sida leramba joint interrogation cell bawda product to hongtoi bano nongpok thong hangnanabagi program hapibani yamna concern oijaba haidare hanagi leiramba ponina anouba am laga tok hekta thugaibasu yaba nate center gi funding ni state government duna mamangi government duna approach torga horamba poni adu government asidi continuation ni mayam gi ba mot ama karino kamai tokno do khallaga laibaki oina fagadaba praja mayamna fagadaba potu da government dum chatkani kanamta gi against leiroi.
Left Coordination Committee Manipur has extended solidarity to the nationwide public meeting called by CPI and other left parties in demand for a joint parliamentary committee report on the controversial India's Rafale aircraft deal on October 24. Briefing media at CPIM office, Governor wrote today, Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council L. Sotin Kumar termed it unjustifiable that Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL, a public sector company, was replaced by a private sector company owned by Anil Ambani for handling the procurement of the aircrafts from France. He also strongly condemns that rate for the aircraft was hiked more than half of what was agreed before. Taking part in the press meet, convener of the committee, Ketrimiyum Shanta, intimated that a large public meeting in connection with Rafale aircraft deal will be convened in New Delhi on October 24. He said CPI, CPIM, RSP and other forward bloc in Manipur will express solidarity by holding a meeting on the same day at Iravat Bhavan to discuss the same.
Lupa crore listing amaga chatruk sigi adu mamal tagi double hengatna leibagi wafam sigi karar mathang laiba kya singse swaida adu mahal haiba adu public sector amana pairam badagi adu senjau paiba singi marak ta manga so position da leiba adu ambani gi adu imung manungda aircraft leibagi wafam se masisu mangonda loina sinar
crony capitalism is chakolakpa haidi state na sponsor to work capitalist kamun sen pakalakpa adu state ka yana daba kamuna koi makoi khudong sa pidaba sigumba singa sida akoi bharat ta leiba hoji ki NDA sarkar sina Rafale gi deal tawna de deal se hoji tamna masigi aron basinga se mai secret singa se phodong na
Lamjingba Group celebrated the first Foundation Day of Lamjingba Cab Service today. The event was held at MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound. Speaking on the occasion, Revenue Minister Karam Sham stated that government appreciates individuals who are not only self-reliant but also create job opportunities for others. He called on the youth of the state to carve one's livelihood and not merely wait for government jobs.
अखोई मियोई बदा ख्वाइदगी दरकार ओरिबस्ती आई इशा हिंगबगा लोइनना अतोप मयाम अमा हिंगनब ngambagi wakalon puthokpadune aduna madugi wakalon leiba naharol mayam ama tholakna hojigi thabo oina utlaraba matam sidadi akhoi tungi future se si akhoi ubada asugi matik penjaba kari harga thagat sigena akhoi di tungi lambi se naksala adi tensala niam sengna harga di adu naharol singi asa mayam si uraga siraju khongya tusilne haidari asugi matik penjaba nungaijaba aduna akhoi kaidongaidasu matam amadadi thamoida faurami akhoi thabak ama tawba kana sarkar khakta ngairga leramba aduna sarkar sing siu matam gi oina yamna afaba oidaba aduna sasi yam tawramdaba back halaga society se satpoina uramba adu ngasidi akhoi narol sing manglomda singkhatpagi adigi government ngaidabagi sumba tanjama manipur gi samaj da uhanba sima akhoi tungi future du leire haina aina adi khanjai.
The mass casual leave called by government employees in demand for implementation of the 7th Central Pay Commission on October 19 and 20 has been withdrawn. The decision was taken after a meeting with Chief Minister Nongthong Biren today. However, the 212-day-old indefinite cease work strike called in demand for the 7th pay will continue until it is met. Speaking to media, Secretary General of JSC Amtuk and Amjio L. Biken stated that 17 members of the JSC convened a meeting with Chief Minister, including the Chief Secretary at CM's Secretariat today, and both the parties agreed for review of the order issued by the then Principal Secretary Finance V. Vumlum Mang on July 28 this year. The JSC put forth the demands for implementation of the 7th pay from 1st January 2016 to clear all due DA and DR duty allowances for Secretariat employees in other departments, especially Revenue and CAF and PD employees, and to form State's Staff Selection Commission for recruitment of Grade C employees. After listening to the JSC's grievances, the Chief Minister short of considering the matter and to hold talks when Principal Secretary Finance Rakesh Ranjan comes in station.
Principal Secretary Finance si our station oibanina mama samuti yahonninge haibagi port lama lakpade da khoi su madugi thajabadu honorable chief minister na thambirak pa thajaba mayam do khoi yabu loinana akhoi gi hayeng dagi niminini gi mass schedule tawani haibas khongjing jimadi honorable chief minister na akhoi da apin torok pai matung na masi khongjing jimadi handwe arga tawdabu akhoi gi mass intervention zo strike jangjal bo singa si thana nimit chani ga tai thoi churabanina masi gi sizwa strike ki khongjing jimadi 7 sentence pegi warishon de phangdri bokti adugi khongjang ngambadi continuation oina khoi khongjang si makha sathagani aduga tawdabu hayeng khoina numinini gi mass schedule logune haidumadi positive response lakbana maram orga numinini gi mass schedule simadi khoi suspend tawre.
Imphal East DC in a press release informed that control room for first level checking FLC of EVM and VVPAT for the upcoming Lok Sabha election 2019 is open at room number 15 of SIRD hostel block in Imphal East DC office complex. Contact number of the control room is 825-909-9084. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a joint Indo-Myanmar fortnight expedition. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. A joint Indo-Myanmar fortnight expedition will begin early next year along Indo-Myanmar border in Chandel district. A meeting to discuss the know-hows of the expedition was held at Tokpi village in Chandel district, attended by village heads and residents today. Attending the meet, President of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMTA, Bijoy Kakching Tabam, former President of MMTA, Dr. L. Surjit, and 19th Assam Rifles Commandant Anand Vajpayee gave insights on the expedition, which aims to explore the borderlands, including a cave in Kovang village in Somtal area.
Natural caving black rock Tengadriba as you can explore Tonanaba high trekking program say a canon Sinjabani, Masida Irisa, Aduka Shatra Singh, Mahiro Singh, Punamana, Saru Yabinanaba, Apple Tozeri.
All Manipur Manpower Upliftment Center AMMUC celebrated its 12th Foundation Day today at Manipur Press Club. Speaking in the event, Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation L. Lokeshwar has encouraged educated youths of the state to opt for self-employment instead of demotivating themselves at the lack of government jobs. He lamented that some frustrated unemployed youths have succumbed to drug abuse. The IMC mayor appeals to continue working for betterment despite all the hardships.
Manipur da lariba khogi larik tabbal waraga subham nombam khangdadana lariba punama ase khogi suba nombagi ikai ki thadok piraga amadi masida suba nomada ikai pham thokte masigi ikai ki je thadok piraga khogi nomagi oiba karigumba ishagi oiba kanaba miyamgi oiba kanaba karigumba kharat tawragadi khunai asi Manipur asi saukhatkani.
Winners of State Level Open Slogan Competition 2018 organized by Epoch Films Production Manipur under the aegis of Manipur Farm Enterprise Private Limited were conferred prizes at Manipur Press Club today. More than 100 individuals competed in the competition held on the theme Let's Make the Fields of Manipur Evergreen All Year Long. Khwarakpam Yai School from Shekmai won the best slogan cash prize of 5,000 rupees and a shawl. Nauria Pakanglakpa constituency social activist Dr. Sorasham Manauton has extended financial assistance to a poor heart patient 68-year-old Mutum Khoiba in the constituency today. Speaking in the event held at Langthabal Leb Makha Lekai, Khoiba said he was diagnosed from a heart ailment in 2016 and had to sell his property to undergo treatment. However, after the surgery, Khoiba is unable to take manual works and hence cannot even afford the prescribed medicines due to financial constraints. He thanked social activist Manauton for helping him with 50,000 rupees today.
अखोइगे नाउरिया पाखंग लाकपा केंद्र सिदा मिरेप ओइना चोंथोकपीगिबा अखोइगे लाइरेंजनदगी वजा मनाउतोल असिना अइंगोंदा अंगंबा मतेंग खरसु हानदगी सुपांगना लाई अदुबो ngasisu pa lising yangkhai amasu matengni haiduna pibirei asini hojik hojik ki pibam sida aduga aigi yumming kholsu layengba sida yonthokidana ai hojik laibam leitadana yonthokraba mafam asida matam kharadang di leijage haiduna haijaraga hojik hojik leinari
kogi mirep oina chongthokpikiba koiming oina panjaraba Dr. Surasan Manauton Singona, Kendra si Kachin Koya Jatuna, later Lair Kayagi, Ngundi Horopa, Mating Pang Horopa, at the Gilu Crossing the Salhora Bikaya, Mium Sabang on the Bakaya, Jana Mating Pang no Saba, Sugumba, Makan Matin Kayagi, Tarum Kayak, Matung, Makatar Pasida, Langtabangi, Sugumba, Abung, Kubigi, Anavas, Namurum Oirga Magi, Jum Hingon Pau, that Loyon Tokraga Lepum later than now you Ladiba, Tanzachi the Ozana, Laktana, Swana Mating Pang Bidana, the work Pachi, Kohanialitan on my.
Attending the event, advisor of Nauriya Pakhanglakpa Kendra Development Committee Atol Lashemba lauded social activist Manauton for his unceasing assistance for poverty-stricken people in the constituency. He assured of cooperation from the committee in his future endeavor for the welfare of the people. Thoubal Municipal Council and District Health Society jointly organized a free medical camp for its sanitary workers and staffs at the council's office complex in Thoubal Wangmataba today. Altogether, 70 individuals, including skilled and unskilled sanitary workers, councillors and staffs were checked up in the camp. For Government-Aided College Teachers Association FGACTA in a press release appreciated Chief Minister Nongthong Biren upon being included in the top 3 chief ministers of the country and the best among the NDA-led state governments by India Today's survey report. A district-level painting competition for students on the theme Our Enrollment for Vote, a Step Towards Nation-Making was held in the election counting hall of Thoubal district today. 41 students from different schools in the district took part in the competition organized by District Election Office, Thoubal, under Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation (SVEEP). Now the sports news. The first and second league matches of the 17th Laihau Devi Memorial Super Division Football League Tournament under District Sports Association Kakching were played at the association's playground today. In the first league match, Vidya Kanta and Solomon Thanga of SWC Kairak scored 2 goals and 1 goal respectively to defeat KPSC Kakching 3-0. TYPA Wangu and IYA Kairak pushed to a draw 1-1 as Arish and Ketrimium Jack scored 1 goal each for their teams in the second league match. 2 league matches will be played on October 20. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah inaugurates Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives at the Old Assembly Building today. United Committee Manipur brings in around 15 political parties for October Mass Rally 2018 to stand against disintegration of Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren urges academicians of the state to take part in politics and help in governing the state. And Revenue Minister Karam Sham lauds self-reliant individuals who create job opportunities for others.